So we're going up for the AJ fight. Big night tonight. Heading into London down from Portsmouth. Just got to stop off on the way. Got to go to Wimbledon quick. Meet a watchmaker. Got a Daytona that needs a little bit of TLC. Just come and stop. It's lovely actually. Going to have the movement serviced by one of my best watchmakers I've used for years, and have the case sent to Hatton Gardens to the best guy for polishing, so that'll come back in. Then off to London, check in at the hotel, going to do an early check-in, head over to the food quarter. Looking forward to seeing Mark Chamberlain on the undercard. He'll be having our company logo on his kit for the ring entrance. Yeah, keep an eye out, we'll do some more updates later today. Yeah, alright, large decaf would be fine, latte please.
Decaf latte, yeah?
Yeah, thank you mate.
No worries. I'll see you in a minute.
Nice one, see you in a sec mate. Bye, bye. So we just left Wimbledon, just finished with Elliot, Cafe Nero, giving him the Daytona. He said some interesting things actually. He clocked my Sky Dweller and let us know that it's not actually the most complicated movement, especially to service, he was saying. He thinks a Yachtmaster 2 is a lot more complicated to service. And he was also saying he rates the Rolex movements over all the APs, Richard Milles and Patek. He was saying that just how durable they are. He's had Rolexes come back from like car accidents, been crushed and smashed, managed to restore them. Yeah, he said you don't get that with the other brands, they're just a bit more delicate, he said. So, yeah, that was interesting. We're just off to Wembley part of London now, just from Wimbledon to Wembley, because it's a Saturday daytime. It's over an hour away. Not used to this in the Portsmouth area, so yeah, just enjoying the scenic route. So we've been on the road since 10 AM. It's now 20 past 3 in the afternoon. We've been like clockwork, checking into the hotel, traffic jams, the London congestion's been manic, and then just quickly got ready in time, had a meal at the restaurant, taxi was waiting for us just as we finished our food, heading down to the arena. Mark Chamberlain fight kicks off at 4, so we are running tight. Apparently the taxi's going to take 20 minutes. Get there just in time to see him, see our company logo on the fight kit, should be good. Get a win under the belt as well. So they closed all the roads off. It's now 4:15. Chamberlain's ring walks at 4:05. There's a stadium up there. Might make it by a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'll live my life in
Wembley, guess who's back?